I don't want to squeeze my beat cup in my accordion, okay? Thank you. Let's hear it from Mr. Kevin Adams. Thank you, Kevin.
Hey, ladies and gentlemen, how about a big round of applause for Big Dan and Marsha? And of course, all those years they sponsored Big Dan's party. You know what? And we're going to do a special tune, especially for Dan and Marsha. It's a Jeff Malechko original for you right now. Here's one called Tonight's the Night.
I got her message on the telephone. She said, come see me cause I'm so very alone. I've got my best clothes looking fine. I wanna be there right on time. I've got a feeling that this time she will be mine. Tonight's the night we'll start our lives together. On this night two lonely hearts become as one. And when I look into your eyes, I'll see the love that's only mine. Tonight's the night we'll start a journey above. I guess I never thought how I could be without that girl I call my own right next to me. But now my friends turn around because my baby's back in town. She wants me and I will never let her down. Tonight's the night we'll start our life together. And on this night two lonely hearts become as one. Just when I look into your eyes, I'll see the love that's only mine. And tonight's the night we start our journey of love.
All right, there you go, especially for Big Dan and Marsha. One called Tonight's the Night.